Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Today we are going to learn the continuation part of the textual exercises. In the previous video I have completed the textual exercises up to here. I have explained the question part and answer the following I have explained, and here in the vocabulary I have explained. And now today we have going to learn pronunciation. We are going to learn pronunciation. What are pronunciation here? I, E, A. In this video, here we are going to learn I. The pronunciation of I is ink, E. Lid, E. Milk, E. Pill, E. Pit, E. Tin, E. The pronunciation of I is E here. Okay. Feet, P. Peel, C. Seat, C. So, here the pronunciation of I is small e, and the pronunciation of EA is long E. Okay. Feet, P. Peel, C. Seat, C. Like that. Okay. And next, read this space of words as quickly as you can. Cheap, cheap, chip, cheap, lid, pill, peel, sit, seat. Okay. Chip, cheap, lid, pill, peel, sit, seat. Okay. As early as you can, you just read them. Chip, cheap, lid, pill, peel, sit, seat. You can read more speed than me. Okay. Try to read. Okay. Read the sentences as quickly as you can. Please feed the kitten some milk. 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 Like these are all tongue twisters. Do you like this? Please feed the kitten some milk. Please feed the kitten some milk. Please feed the kitten some milk. You also try to read as quickly as you can. Okay. And next, grammar we have singular and plural. Singular and plural. Singular means one. Singular means one. Plural means more than one. Plural means more than one. Read these sentences from the story. He has many spots on his tummy. He has many spots on his tummy. Spotty lives in the blue sea with his mother and friends. With his mother and friends. Spots, friends. The word spots mean more than one spot or many spots. Here the word spots means more than one spot or many spots. The word friends means more than one friend or many friends. More than one friend or many friends. We add s or es at the end of words to show more than one. We add s or es at the end of words to show more than one. Here you see the example. Here it is singular. One spot. One spot means singular. Two spot. One spot. Total two spots. Two spots. That is plural. More than one is called plural. And next we have dolphin. One dolphin. And here two dolphins. Dolphin plus yes. Dolphins. Dolphin one. More than one. Dolphins. And next brush. One brush. 1, 2, 3 brushes. Here spots we have added only yes. Dolphins we have added only yes. Plus yes. Yes, we just have added yes to both these. But here in the brush we have added es. What we have added to the brush? Es. To make it plural. Plural means more than one. Okay, brush, brushes. When a word ends in S, Z, SH or CH, we add ES to make plurals. If it is already has an E at the end, we just add S. Like rose, roses, rose, roses. We just add S to that. Okay, here you see here. When the word ends with S, for example, class, the word ends with S. So, the plural form of class is classes. When the word ends with S, we have to add ES. And next Z. When the word ends with Z, like, so here, it is not Z nana, X. When the words ends with X, like box, we have to write the plural form like boxes. So when the words ends with X, we have to add ES to make it plural. To make it plural. Next, bush. The word ends with SH. To make it plural, what we can write? Bushes. Bush, bushes. Next, church. 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 CH ends with CH. What do we have to do to make it plural? We have to add ES. Churches. Okay. This is all about when the words ends with S, X, SH, CH, we have to add ES to make it plural. Okay. And when the word ends with E, when the word already ends with E like this, we just add S to that to make it plural. Roses. Okay. Here you see. Make plurals of these words by adding S. Say the words aloud. Apple, apple, apples. Book, books. Chair, chairs. APPLE, apple. APPLE, apples. We just have added yes. BOOK, books. BOOKS, books. Chair, CHAIR, chair. CHAIRS, chairs. Okay, like that. Next, sweet, sweets. Table, tables. Toy, toys. Further, to make it plural noun, we just have added yes to the word. Sweet, sweets. Table, tables. Toy, toys, like. And next here, make plurals of these words by adding es. Here we have added yes, and here we have to add es. Bus, buses. When the word ends with es, what do we have to add? Es. Bus, buses. Dish, dishes. Brush, brushes. Glass, glasses. Kiss, kisses. Wish, wishes. Okay. This is, once you read it aloud, apple, apples, book, books, chair, chairs, sweet, sweets, table, tables, toy, toys, bus, buses, dish, dishes, brush, brushes, glass, glasses, kiss, kisses, wish, wishes. Okay, like that you read aloud 2 to 3 times. Okay, and next, choose the correct answer. There are many dash in my garden. Many, many. Tree or trees? Many unte singular or plural we have to write. We have to write plural form after many. So, trees. There are many trees in my garden. I have many color, many color pencil or color pencils. Pencils. Whenever we got many, it is plural form. So, pencils. There are 4 dash in my bathroom. Toothbrush or toothbrushes. Here they have mentioned 4. 4 means plural. So, toothbrushes. Toothbrushes. Look, Two dash or pulling the cart. Horse or horses. Two horses. More than one horses. If it is one, look, one horse is pulling the cart. Here two. Two horses are pulling the cart. Okay, Nana, is it clear? Next, listening you have rhyming words. In the listening you have rhyming words. Tick the correct rhyming. Tick the rhyming word. One has been done for you. Here is the root word swim. Swim ki rhyming word. Swim, trim. Swim, trim. Come, some. These are not rhyming words. Swim. Swim ki rhyming word will be trim. Swim, trim. Swim, trim. Okay, next, the second one. Sing. Sing. Long. Song. Sing. Ring. Sing. Ring. Okay, this is the rhyming word. Sing, ring. Sing, ring. Here, third one. Call. Ball. Call. Ball. Till. Pull. These are not rhyming words. The correct pronunciation, the correct rhyming word is call. Ball. You just tick after the correct rhyming word. Seat. Feet. Seat. Feet. Sit. Suit. Not the rhyming words for seat. Seat. Feet. Here this is speaking. In speaking we have self-introduction in today's topic. In this lesson we have self-introduction. Self-introduction means we need to introduce ourselves. Okay, self-introduction means the introduction of ours. మన యొక్క ఇంట్రడక్షన్, మన పేరు, ఓకే, our name, our what we are studying, which class we are studying, okay, and next where you are living, everything. This all belongs to self-introduction. About you. You are going to tell about you. Here, imagine the bottle-nosed dolphins were friendly and they came to Spotty and said, "Hello, we are bottlenose. What is your name?" Imagine, actually bottlenose dolphins are not friendly. They are very cruel with Spotty. They afraid Spotty, yes. But here they are telling, imagine the bottle-nosed dolphins were friendly and they came to Spotty and said, "Hello, we are bottlenose. What is your name?" So what Spotty would say? What would Spotty say? He might say, "Hello bottlenose, my name is Spotty." What the Spotty say? "Hello bottlenose, my name is Spotty." Okay, like that only. Now ask your friend his or her name in the same way. "Hello, I am." Here you just have to write your name here. Now I am writing my name. "Hello, I am Priya." I am Priya. What is your name? "Hello, I am Priya. What is your name?" I am asking you. So next, what you have to say? "Hello Priya. Hello Priya. My name is Ritu." Like that you have to write your name here. Okay, like that you have to write your name. Now I am talking to you. "Hello, I am Priya. What is your name?" "Hello Priya, my name is." You write your name here. Okay, like that only. You ask your parents, you ask your siblings, like a brother and your sisters. You ask like that. Your friends, neighborhood friends you have. You just ask like that. Okay, next. The next one we have writing. In this writing we have tracing the letters. Tracing the letters. Trace these letters and words. Copy them in your notebook. Copy them in your notebook. If you have textbooks with you, you just trace them. Like you just have to write this. Okay. Okay, like this you just write. Don't write it in notebook. What they have given? QRSTUVWXYZ and ON on, OF off, OX ox, TO2, SO so, ET ES EG EET EEN N. Like that they have given the letters and the words here. Okay, you just trace them in the textbook itself. Don't note it down in the notebook. Okay, so next, what the Roman you have here? Picture comprehension. Here you have English around us. Picture comprehension. Talk about this picture in your class. What is this picture about? Books on wheels. Come, read, enjoy. Have you seen these type of wheels? This type of a bus having books around. What does books on wheels mean? What do you think by this picture? Look at the picture carefully. Books on wheels. Every book has wheels on it. A moving library. What do you mean it? Books on wheels means every book has wheels on it. Prati book ki wheels untaya? No, it's a moving library. It's a moving library. Okay, what kind of books do you think this library carries? What kind of books do you think this library carries? Books for children, books for grown-ups. Here you can see the pictures on the bus. Books on wheels, the pictures of the children. Yes, so here also children are going to read those books. So this library is for children. So the books for children, the books for children, and books on wheels means a moving library. Have you seen this bus before? ఇటువంటి బస్ని మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా మీ ఊళ్ళో? హియర్ ఇది ఒక ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఇంకొక ప్లేస్కి మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఒక సెంటర్లో, మెయిన్ సెంటర్లో పెట్టేస్తారు ఈ బస్ని. కొంచెం సేపు, ఒక పూట, ఒక హాఫ్ డే వరకు ఇది ఒక మెయిన్ సెంటర్లో ఉంచేస్తారు. ఎవరైనా సరే వచ్చి బుక్స్ చూసి కాసేపు చదువుకొని వెళ్ళొచ్చు. అదే వీల్స్ ఆన్ బస్ అండ్ బుక్స్ ఆన్ వీల్స్ అనమాట. ఓకే, కాసేపు ఉండి చదువుకొని వెళ్ళొచ్చు. ఇది వన్స్ చీరాలు వచ్చిందనుకోండి, నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు పాలెం, వేటపాలెం, లైక్ దట్ ఒక్కొక్క రోజు ఒక్కొక్క ప్లేస్లో ఉంటుంది, ఒక్కొక్క ప్లేస్కి వెళ్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఇట్స్ అ మూవింగ్ లైబ్రరీ అనమాట. ఓకే, దేర్ వీ కెన్ గెట్ సో మెనీ బుక్స్, సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, పేపర్, ఎవ్రీడే పేపర్, న్యూస్ పేపర్ దే విల్ ప్రొవైడ్ దేర్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ books on wheels. Have you seen this before? Good. Okay, next we have value for me. Discuss with your teacher. Are you afraid of any person in your class or school? In your pre-primary, have you felt fear of anybody? ఎవరినైనా చూసి భయపడ్డారా? ఏ పర్సన్ అన్నా మీకు భయమా? మీ క్లాస్లో కానీ, మీ స్కూల్లో కానీ ఎవరైనా చూస్తే నా అమ్మో వీళ్ళంటే నాకు భయం అని వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? షుడ్ యూ బీ ఎఫ్రైడ్ వెన్ సమ్మన్ టీజెస్ ఆర్ బులీస్ యూ? ఎవరైనా మిమ్మల్ని కామెంట్ చేసినా, టీజ్ చేసినా, ఎగతాళి చేసినా, ఓకే, అటువంటివి ఏమైనా చేస్తే మీరు భయపడతారా? షుడ్ యూ బీ ఎఫ్రైడ్? వాట్ షుడ్ యూ డూ ఇఫ్ సమ్వన్ మేక్స్ ఫన్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఎవరైనా మీ మీద జోక్స్ వేసుకుంటూ ఉంటే వాట్ షుడ్ యూ డూ? నువ్వేం చేస్తావు? షుడ్ వీ మేక్ ఫన్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ హూ ఆర్ వీకర్ ఆర్ స్మాలర్ దాన్ అస్? షుడ్ వీ మేక్ ఫన్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ హూ ఆర్ వీకర్ ఆర్ స్మాలర్ దాన్ అస్? మనకన్నా చిన్న వాళ్ళని, వీక్గా ఉన్న వాళ్ళని చూసి మనము వాళ్ళని ఎగతాళి చేస్తామా? చేయొచ్చా అటువంటి పనులు? ఓకే, నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ our second lesson. What is our second lesson? Our second lesson is Spotty Dolphin calls his friends. Spotty Dolphin calls his friends. Okay, this is about lesson and textual exercises I have completed. Okay students, bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.